making a video, delivering a UPS van, built by Ford, of course. Every bump you hit, everything cracks and moves, shakes, rattles, rolls. I can't even listen to my language tapes because I can't hear anything. I'm yelling to make this video. Of course, as soon as I start the video, we hit a smooth part in the road. There we go, you hear that? It's like a pinball machine. All the windows, the doors, everything rattles. Nothing's secured well. It's a noisy, bumpy, crazy ride all the way to California. These are the worst to deliver across the country because they're so loud. Oh yeah. California, here I come now.